step, hit the ground, the pound fell. Cops is coming, running through the pissy stairwells. I ain't hear nothing, bugging. Only thing I remember was the bullshit summer. So I stopped at the second floor, ran across cracks and small, and my pockets is mean. Clean when I vanished off before. Made track look easy, the walkie-talkies, the beaches had. Like they was rated PG. Run, I will not give up, no. Quick flag the car down. Show your nose, go till they come down. Chill off quick, back up, hit the bitch door. Turn downhill like the Molly Spliff. Run, I will not get bagged on the rock. Run, see what happened to they bad when they cops. Run, damn shit, plan shit, destroy evidence. Fuck the case, I'm not coming home when I'm 56. So die with the heart of Scarface and take 50 licks before I let this planet throw me and shit. Bounce if you a good kid, down through the bird hop curse, swerving to serve. These cocksuckers got nerve. Heard I was killing shit, they must got word that I told the chief for which part I don't wanna merge. Run, if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run, if you get chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that, run, just got good. They keep it down nice like butter turns. Run, if you ain't do shit, you hit that next felony, nigga, it's like 3 zips. So run, hop fancy, jump over benches. When you see me coming, get the fuck out the entrance. Run, fuck that, run, just got good. Motherfucker. I might gotta take my shirt off. Yeah, kid. I like that one. Go in, go in.
It's Task Force Tuesday, the Knox is in the black hole. I got 500 packs in my backpack. Clear 12 that look like stuffed shells. I'm cutting niggas' throats on sales while they puff L's. Don't leave nothing unbagged, shade everything. I learned from the OGs to save everything. They come by one more time, they gon' hop out. Too deep and one is a bitch, he get knocked out. And I can get rid of the pack, but I just copped this pretty chrome thing, so I'm dipping with that. Now shipping on them like I got gears on me. Besides that, I got about 5 years on me. Hit the death running like I got beers on me. Temps start feeling like the night ears on me. It's hard for me to slow down like I'm on the thruway. My belt's in the crib on the floor by my two-way. Now I'm trying to